The way I think of computer use, which is what we call that capability, is I think of it as the first step towards a broader vision. And Anthropic just dropped a bold claim: their new AI, Claude, is unbreakable. No loopholes, no exploits, no tricks. But here's the catch: they're daring hackers to prove them wrong with a $155,000 bounty for anyone who can jailbreak it. AI jailbreaking has always been a cat-and-mouse game. No matter how secure a model seems, someone always finds a way around it. But Anthropics says this time is different. They've built Claude with constitutional AI, a system designed to resist even the most advanced attacks. So, is Claude really unbreakable, or is it just a matter of time before someone cracks it? Stick around as we break down how hackers are testing its limits and what happens if they succeed. The cat-and-mouse game of AI jailbreaking. If history has shown us anything, it's that no AI security measure lasts forever. Since the rise of chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Meta's Llama, jailbreakers have worked tirelessly to push these systems beyond their safety barriers. We've seen countless jailbreak methods over the years, some shockingly simple, others incredibly creative. One of the most famous was Dan, or Do Anything Now, a prompt that tricked ChatGPT into ignoring its safety filters by pretending it was in a no-rules mode. Another classic was the Grandma method, where users convinced AI to respond as a sweet old grandmother who wouldn't say no to a request. Then came more sophisticated techniques: encoding requests in hexamal, binary, or Morse code, or asking an AI to translate a message before acting on it. And yet, every time one of these exploits was found, AI developers patched the loophole, only for another jailbreak method to pop up somewhere else. This constant battle between developers and jailbreakers is why Claude's new system is making headlines. If it really is unbreakable, it would be a first in AI history. But if we've learned anything from the past, no system is perfect forever. What makes Claude unbreakable? On the screen, Claude has had for a long time, since Claude 3 back in March, the ability to analyze images and respond to them with text. So what's different this time? Why is Anthropics so confident that Claude can't be tricked? The answer lies in something called constitutional AI, a safeguard system that operates fundamentally differently from traditional AI moderation. Instead of relying on simple keyword blocking or reactive filtering, Claude is built on deep ethical rules, a constitution that guides its decision-making process at every step. These rules don't just restrict harmful content, they shape how the AI understands and interprets user inputs, allowing it to recognize and reject even the most sophisticated jailbreak attempts. Anthropic has developed a multi-layered approach to reinforce these safeguards. Self-testing and adversarial training play a crucial role. Claude is trained against itself, running thousands of potential jailbreak prompts to expose and eliminate vulnerabilities before it ever interacts with real users. Then there's the constitutional classifier system, which doesn't just scan for banned words, but actively looks for patterns, intent, and disguised phrasing that could indicate a jailbreak attempt. Finally, Claude's multi-layer defense system ensures that even if an exploit manages to bypass one restriction, it must still pass through multiple additional checkpoints before the AI generates a response. This method has already delivered impressive results. In a controlled series of tests with over 10,000 jailbreak attempts, Claude successfully blocked 95% of known exploits. That's a massive leap forward compared to previous AI models, many of which developed vulnerabilities within weeks of their release. However, no system is truly flawless, and with enough time, hackers may still find a way to crack even the most advanced defenses. Can hackers still break Claude? Anthropic isn't just making bold claims, they're backing them up with real money. Since late 2024, they've been running a bug bounty program offering up to $15,000 for anyone who can successfully jailbreak Claude. Thousands of participants, including some of the best prompt engineers in the world, have stepped up to the challenge, spending over 3,000 hours testing the AI with every trick imaginable. From hidden command injections to foreign language workarounds, hackers have thrown everything in at Claude, yet its security layers have largely held up. So what exactly is failing? Role-playing tricks no longer work. Telling Claude to pretend it's a secret agent or a time traveler from 2050 doesn't bypass its safeguards anymore. Encoding methods are getting blocked. Attempts to submit restricted requests in hexadecimal, ASCII, or even emoji-based code are caught before they can be processed. Multi-step manipulation isn't effective either. While older AI models could be tricked into generating partial responses before being guided toward a forbidden answer, Claude detects these patterns early and shuts them down.